when you have a murder case and there's no offer, it's because it is just unexplainable, right? If you have a murder case and there's no offer, it's because the state is just like, no, we're not letting anybody get away with this. This is like somebody killed a child or somebody, things that are really, really extreme
Somebody killed a lady and drove around with her body on the front
with her
passenger seat
body,
for
right?
30 days. I didn't get an offer on that case.
No plea offer. And that will happen, right? But when you have a case where there is a documented history of abuse, there's also a documented history of the decedent being violent, not just with Marsha Thompson, but with prior people and other people and outside people. So when you have that, you expect an offer. It might not be a good offer, right? If they would have told me 20 years or 15 years or 10, even 10 years, my client probably would have said no. But there was no offer in this case in 5.5 years. Like the state did nothing to try to resolve this case. I think they thought what everybody thought was the case could not be won, right? And so
I
they were
think
just going to
so.
get whatever they could. But that was not the right thing to do because even if you don't agree with the defense, you know that there's mitigating information here. You know, this is not like life in prison without parole offense.
One thing I always say is that the prosecutor and the criminal defense attorney, we don't have the same role in our system.